In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a new LinkedIn account. Whether you're looking to expand your professional network or seeking new job opportunities, LinkedIn is a fantastic platform. So let's get started with the process. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. When you arrive at the LinkedIn homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the site, especially if this is your first visit. You'll want to look for the option that says Create an Account or Join Now. It's typically easy to find right there on the homepage. Once you've found that, you'll be prompted to enter some personal details. This includes your email address or phone number, which will serve as your login credentials in the future. You'll also need to create a secure password. It's crucial to select a password that's both easy for you to remember and challenging for others to guess. After that, you'll enter your first name and last name. With all these initial details filled in, go ahead and click on the Agree and Continue button. Moving on, the next thing LinkedIn will ask you for is your location. This typically involves specifying the country and possibly the city where you're currently based. This information helps LinkedIn tailor job opportunities and networking events to your area. So, fill in your location details accurately and click Next. Following this, LinkedIn will inquire about your most recent job title, the type of employment you have, and the company you're currently or were last associated with. Adding accurate details here can significantly boost the visibility and relevance of your LinkedIn profile once it's up and running. After you've filled in this information, hit Continue. The next step involves verifying your email address. LinkedIn will send a verification code to the email address you provided earlier. So open a new tab, head over to your email inbox, locate the email from LinkedIn, and retrieve the code. Then return to LinkedIn and input the code in the designated field. After entering the verification code, click Agree and Confirm. And just like that, you've successfully created your LinkedIn account. Now that you have an account, it's time to set up your LinkedIn profile. This is your opportunity to really showcase your professional journey, skills, and accomplishments. Take some time to fill it out thoroughly to make the most of your presence on LinkedIn. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button. For more useful tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and tap the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we upload new content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.